Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best purchasing decisions with a dash of humor and a sprinkle of controversy. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the Holystone HS110D FPV RC drone on the left and the Tamiz drones with camera for adults 4K on the right. Buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. So let's get this drone battle started and find out which one deserves a place in your gadget collection. First category, camera. The Holystone drone boasts a 1080 PFOV 120 degrees HD FPV camera. That's a lot of letters and numbers to say it takes pretty decent pictures. It's like having a wide-angle lens on your phone, but flying in the sky. Perfect for capturing your neighbor's backyard barbecue without them noticing. On the other side, we have the Tamiz drone with a 4K UHD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens. That's right, folks, 4K. This drone will capture every single blade of grass in your front yard in stunning detail. If you want to count the freckles on your dog from 50 feet up, Tamiz has got you covered. So if you're a resolution snob and want to see every pixel, Tamiz takes the cake here. But hey, Holystone is no slouch either, especially if you're on a budget and don't need to see every pore on your friend's face. Next up, stability and control. Holystone's got altitude hold, which means you can set it and forget it. It just chills in midair like it's got nothing better to do. Perfect for beginners, kids, and anyone who's ever crashed a drone into a tree, like me. Tamiz, however, has an optical flow positioning sensor. Sounds fancy, right? It's like the drone's got eyes on the ground, helping it hover precisely, even indoors. Plus, it's got a brushless motor for that extra oomph and less noise. So if you want your drone to hover like a pro and not sound like a swarm of bees, Tamiz is your guy. In terms of stability, both drones are solid, but Tamiz might have a slight edge with its extra techie features. Now, let's talk battery life. Holystone comes with 2 modular batteries, giving you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to annoy your neighbors or freak out your dog twice. Tamiz, on the other hand, doesn't specify its battery life in the description, but considering it's packed with features, you might get a similar flight time. Just make sure to bring it down before it decides to take a nap mid-air. So if you're into swapping batteries mid-flight, Holystone makes it easy. Otherwise, keep an eye on Tamiz and maybe carry a portable charger. Cool features time. Holystone's got voice control, gesture control, and trajectory flight. Basically, you can control this drone like you're in a sci-fi movie. Just wave your hands around and shout commands like a wizard. Tamiz isn't lagging behind with gravity control, speed adjustment, and 3D flips. Plus, it's foldable and comes with a carrying case, making it look like it came straight out of a James Bond movie. And all of this without needing FAA registration. Bonus! Both drones are packed with features, but if you want to feel like a secret agent, Tamiz might be your best bet. Reviewers have praised the Holystone HS110D for its ease of use, durability, and excellent customer service, although some noted the camera quality could be better and the battery life is short. On the other hand, the Tamiz drone has received accolades for its camera quality, ease of setup, and durable design. But some users have faced issues with battery life and finding replacement parts. Overall, both drones are well regarded, but your choice will depend on what features you value more. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS110D FPV RC drone and the Tamiz drones with camera for adults 4K. Both are great choices under $100, but it all boils down to what you prioritize: camera quality, stability, or cool features. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.